All right, we got a little 3-bedroom apartment, and we've just arrived. And the first step we're going to be taking is to rake everything. He's picking up some larger particles. We always rake the carpets before we vacuum to make sure that we try to catch any screws or nails that might be in them, things that can damage a vacuum cleaner. I'll show you there's 2 more bedrooms. The carpet doesn't seem to have any bed stains in it, but it's going to be pretty dirty when we vacuum, I'm afraid. It doesn't look like the people that were here kept it very clean. We got doors that won't stay open by themselves. So we'll go around and rake everything, and then we'll start our pre-vacuum. And for the pre-vacuum today, we're going to use the SC899, and we're going to use our Dyson to go around and do all of the edges first. We just use the wand and get all the edges real good. But we're going to rake this and probably do all the edges, then we'll show you the vacuum and pre-vacuuming with the SC899. So stay tuned. Alright, we raked the carpet to make sure there's no nails or big debris that we didn't want to suck up into our vacuum. We picked it up by hand, and we went ahead and vacuumed the edges to make sure they're clean. So we're getting ready to start the big sanitaire and vacuum the entire carpet. Now here's the deal, people have asked us, how do you set the adjustments on these things? I'm gonna tell you something right now. Some people think that if you want to do a fine cleaning, you turn it down to level 1, and if you want to do a mild cleaning, you leave it up higher. That's not how these work. The truth is this. When you turn the machine on, you want to drop this down until you hear the pitch of the motor change, and then normally that'll be the place you vacuum at. Now sometimes,
Start on 6.
well, yeah, we always start on 6 and then start dropping it down until we hear the motor change pitch. Now sometimes it won't pick up at that, so you want to raise it up or lower it, but normally when you hear the pitch change, that's the right spot. We'll start the video and you can see what we're talking about right now. Now, I'm going to tell you something. That was down where the pitch changed for the first time, and it seems like it's bogging in. So what I'm going to do is turn it back on and raise it up on that one. We'll see how it does. And if it don't vacuum good at that level, I'll have to put it down lower to get vacuum into it. But we'll see right now. This is the last time I interrupt the video. I had it down to 5. It didn't seem to vacuum, so I raised it up a level. I had it down to 5. It seemed like it was bogging down. I raised it up one height. I couldn't pick it up to vacuum, make it pick up stuff, so I lowered it back down again. That's where I'm going to run out on this. And the vacuum sounds like it's bogging down, but it pushes with no effort, so it's safe. But here's the rest of the video. All right, we got 3 rooms and a hallway left to go. I don't know how much of that we're gonna try to make videos of, but this video here, we're gonna put a bag dump coming up next, but remember it's for the entire apartment. And we'll probably put that at the end of each video that we make, just because people like to see that, so.
We're gonna go ahead and, in the bedrooms, with the ones we're filming, we're gonna get the closets and behind the doors off the camera. Nobody wants to watch us go into a closet. So we're gonna get that stuff done, so if you don't see it, don't think we don't do closets. We're just not doing it on video to bore everybody.
All right, well, stay tuned. All right, the 3-bedroom apartment we just vacuumed, pre-vacuumed. Here is the bag dump. So that carpet hadn't been cleaned in 2 years. I don't think they were vacuuming it very well either.
Well, that's a lot.
Gotta let the dust clear just to get near it.
All this is just fine dust all the way around it.
Yeah, it's surrounded.
And they didn't have no pet. So this is just like human hair and stuff like that.
I think there's some dryer lint and everything in there maybe.
There's some stuff, but it's
And
not.
I guarantee you that bag still has a lot. We'll take it out in an open area and really give it a beating, because there's still a lot of stuff in there, I guarantee you.
Look at that dust that's coming out.
Yeah, you always want to take these out in an open area. And you could sweep them with like a whisk broom, sweep the outside, and it helps knock everything loose on the inside. You always want to try to clean it from the outside in, because when it's filling up with dirt, it fills up from the inside out. So if you go the opposite direction, it helps you to clean it. Anyway,
there you go.
that's all there is to that. So thanks for watching.